going to learn over here is my PDF visible to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, please listen to me very, very, very carefully. Okay. In the first or second class, I believe, I taught you how to change a verb to dictionary form, ta form, and nai form, dictionary form, and ta form. Okay. So we have applied dictionary form. We have applied nai form. Now it's time to apply ta form. This chapter is all about the usage of ta form. So you have to be very attentive. First pattern is koto ga arimasu. The formula of this pattern is verb in ta form. You have to change that particular verb, whatever verb you are talking about. Now, koto ga arimasu pattern is itself used for sharing experience. Okay, sharing experience, and you get the experience once you are done with that action. ठीक है, सपोज एक मूवी रिलीज हुई है और मैंने आपसे पूछा कि बच्चा ये मूवी कैसी है, तो मुझे सडनली हंसिका ने बताया, मुझे ईशानी ने बताया कि मैम वर्थ वॉचिंग मूवी है. व्हाई दे आर शेयरिंग देयर एक्सपीरियंस? बिकॉज दे हैव वॉच्ड द मूवी. ठीक है, एंड वंस दे आर वॉच्ड, एक्शन जो है वो पास्ट में चला गया. ठीक है, अब क्योंकि मुझे उस वर्ब के साथ मुझे उस मूवी को देखने का ईशानी को और हंसिका को उस मूवी को देखने का देखा हुआ है, उनको एक्सपीरियंस है उस मूवी का कि वो मूवी कैसी है. तो जो वर्ब है, जो भी पर्टिकुलर वर्ब है, यू हैव टू चेंज दैट पर्टिकुलर वर्ब टू प्लेन पास्ट फॉर्म बिकॉज द वर्ब इज इन पास्ट नाउ. आप अपना एक्सपीरियंस, किसी भी चीज का एक्सपीरियंस हो, चाहे वो ट्रैकिंग का हो या वो बंजिंग जंपिंग का हो या कुछ खाने का हो, कुछ देखने का हो, कहीं विजिट करने का हो, आप तभी अपना एक्सपीरियंस शेयर कर सकते हैं या उसको एक्सपीरियंस फॉर्म में दे सकते हैं जब आपने वो पर्टिकुलर एक्शन किया हुआ हो. ठीक है, तो जब वो एक्शन हमने किया, अगर मैंने कहा कि मैंने अभी थोड़ी देर पहले अपना इवनिंग स्नैक्स लिया, मैं खा चुकी हूँ, वो एक्सपीरियंस में वो जा चुका है कि यही समोसा बहुत टेस्टी था, सीरियसली बहुत अमेजिंग समोसा था. सो वो खा चुकी हूँ मैं. ताबेमास, वेलकम टू ताबेमाश्ता. ठीक है, अब मेरे को ताबेमाशिता के साथ में कोतोगा अरिमास पैटर्न लगाना है क्योंकि मेरे को ये सेंटेंस जो है मेरा अरिमास सेंटेंस एंड करेगा. तो मैं ताबेमाशिता और कोतोगा अरिमास एक साथ नहीं लगा सकती. अब मैं क्या करूंगी, जो मेरा वर्ब वन है जो कि पास्ट फॉर्म में है, वो आएगा ता फॉर्म पे. आई हैव टू चेंज दैट टू ता फॉर्म, plain past form, and then add kotoga arimasu. Ta verb, ta kotoga arimasu. Verb 1, ta verb 1 in ta form plus kotoga arimasu. This is the rule we have to follow. ठीक है, sumo o mita kotoga arimasu. I have seen sumo. I have experience of watching sumo wrestling. ठीक है, so kotoga arimasu when we talk about the experience. Now I'm going to share a video with you all. तारी फॉर्म हम तब लगाते हैं. अच्छा, तारी फॉर्म को सबसे पहले अप्लाई कैसे करना है? बहुत सिंपल है. चितारी. ठीक है, शितारी लिखा हुआ है. आपको क्या करना है? जस्ट टेल मी द प्लेन पास्ट फॉर्म ऑफ शिमाश. हु विल टेल मी प्लेन पास्ट फॉर्म ऑफ
Shita.
शिमाश? शिता. ठीक है, नाउ एड री टू इट, इट विल बिकम शितारी. इत्ता, प्लेन पास्ट फॉर्म इकिमास इज इत्ता. Add re to it, you will get ittari. What would be the plain past form of tabemas? तो यूज किया है.
ताबेता
तारी फॉर्म क्या होगी? ताबेतारी. ताबेतारी. समझ में आया कैसे अप्लाई करना है? चेंज कैसे करना समझ में आ गया? ठीक है. अब दूसरी चीज क्या करनी है, तारी फॉर्म कब यूज होती है? जब मैंने आपसे पूछा कि आपने क्या क्या किया या आप क्या क्या करते हो वीकेंड्स पे, आप क्या प्लान करते हो, क्या करते हो, तो मुझे एक बच्चे ने बताया कि मैम मैं फैमिली के साथ आउटिंग पे जाता हूँ, फिर उसके बाद मैं फ्रेंड्स के साथ स्विमिंग के लिए जाता हूँ, शाम को मैं जिम जाता हूँ, रात को मूवी देखता हूँ, फिर सो जाता हूँ. सो दीज आर द सीक्वेंस लाइक जनरली ही और लाइक एनी वन अप्लाइज. सो सबका अपना अपना होता है. उस सेंस में आपको यहाँ पर तारी फॉर्म लगानी है. अभी मैं आपको वीडियो दिखाऊंगी, उसके बाद मैं बात करूंगी कूनारी मास, क्योंकि ये दोनों आपस में बहुत रिजेंबलिंग से हैं. कूनारी मास थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट है. सो जस्ट हियर आई एम गोइंग टू शेयर द वीडियो विद यू ऑल. फर्स्ट वीडियो इज अबाउट कोतोगा arimas. First video is about kotoga arimas, then I'll come to tari form. Here we go. Yeah, this is one. Okay, guys, here I'm going to play. Please concentrate over here because I'm not going to play the whole video. I'll play it for 3, 4, of maximum 5 minutes.
Today's lesson is from the Japanese textbook, Genki Volume 1. We are going to learn how to talk about your past experiences as in, I have done this or I haven't done that. This particular grammar is introduced in lesson 11 in the book. If you are studying Japanese by yourself and interested in purchasing this textbook on Amazon, please go through the link that I have in the description below and support this channel without cost below. Okay, let's begin the lesson. では始めましょう。In this lesson, we are going to learn how to express your past experiences as in, I have done this or I haven't done that in English. For instance, if you want to say, I have been to Japan, you phrase it this way in Japanese. I have the experience of going to Japan. So you're going to have the verb have, あります in the sentence. And the entire sentence is going to be like this. 日本に行ったことがあります。日本に行ったことがあります。Point number 1. You put the action, in this case go, in the plain past form. Point number 2. Then you add this こと after that. こと in this context means something like incident, occasion, or experience. Since this is the experience that you have, you mark it with the particle が. Now, if you haven't been to Japan, then you say you don't have the experience of going to Japan by simply changing the verb into the negative form. 日本に行ったことがありません。日本に行ったことがありません。This is completely grammatical, and the sentence makes perfect sense to any Japanese person. But when we don't have the experience, we often mark this こと with the particle は, the contrast marker, to highlight the contrast between this particular experience that we don't have versus so many other experiences that we do have. So in this lesson, let's use this version for the things that you haven't done. Let me read these two sentences for you one more time. I have been to Japan. 日本に行ったことがあります。I haven't been to Japan. 日本に行ったことはありません。On the side note, in the spoken language, this is getting way more common nowadays instead of ありません。ないです。ないです。This is not the original negative form for あります。So some older generations do not accept ないです as proper Japanese. But you know, language always changes and evolves, right? For whatever the reason, this ないです is getting so common as the negative form of あります in modern Japanese, especially in conversation. So just keep in mind that you will hear this ないです version most of the time when you listen to native speakers talking. However, in written language, especially when you are writing formal documents or letters, you are not supposed to use ないです. Please stick to ありません in that case, which is more proper in writing. In this lesson, I will stick to the original negative form of あります, which is ありません. Okay? So here's the summary of the formation. When you talk about your past experiences, as in, I have done it or I haven't done it. Another example. If you want to say you have the experience of meeting a celebrity, you say, 有名人に会ったことがあります。
Okay, Yume is an adjective which we use for famous. So Yumeijin is a famous personality, which is written here celebrity. Atta, aimas is to meet someone, milna. Atta, तो इसका ta form is atta, kotoga arimas. This is how we are going to plan up over here. ठीक है, इसी का ही दूसरा फॉर्म है, दूसरा एग्जाम्पल है.
有名人に会ったことがあります。有名人 literally means famous person or famous people, and this is the one that we use for celebrity in Japanese. If you don't have the experience of meeting a celebrity, then you say 有名人に会ったことはありません。有名人に会ったことはありません。
Acha, I must have told you about this that whenever we're going to apply this aimas verb, aimas is to meet somebody. If you remember, I always tell to my students that there's one fixed particle we have with aimas, which is ni particle. ओके एंड अभी इस वीडियो में ये भी समझाया गया है कि जब भी हम फॉर्मल वे में बात कर रहे हैं या रिटर्न वे में बात कर रहे हैं तो इंस्टेड ऑफ यूजिंग नाई हमें अरिमास सेन यूज करना है. ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है. ठीक है, सो दिस इज हाउ वी आर गोइंग टू अप्लाई कोतोगा अरिमास एंड कोतोगा अरिमास सेन. आई एम कमिंग बैक टू माय एमएस टीम. इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट रिगार्डिंग this topic, this particular topic, please let me know. Otherwise, I'm going to share my next topic, which is tari form. If you have any doubt, I request you to please raise your hand. Please come up with your doubts if you have any. Yes, Samir.
Ma'am, in the positive form of the sentences, we use the ga particle to explain
Yes.
the experience,
Yes.
whereas in the negative one we use va.
Va particle. Yes.
So is there any particular reason for that, or like why is that the case?
No, this is the part of the grammar explanation, so we have to apply it and we have to follow it as it is. We don't have any explanatory for this for so far, but I'll search for it. Agar mila, so I'll definitely share with you.
Sure, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Okay. Yes, Bachcha.
ma'am,
Who is this?
in
Who's
the
next?
ma'am, this is Shubham.
Yes,
In the
Shubham.
video, they have provided a reason why we are using va. It says that with all of the experiences, like there are experiences that we have experienced, right? For example, the example says that I have not met a celebrity. And there's another experience. I have used a high performance computer. This is an experience I have felt when I'm saying that I'm using a high performance computer. I'm using GA, and when I'm saying that I have not met a celebrity, we are just comparing with the experience that we have felt and the experience and this experience that we have not felt yet. So this is why, in contrast of these experiences and the experience that we have not felt, we are using ba here.
Thank you so much, Shubham. Oh, Samir, you have gone through with the Shubham's explanation so far?
Yes, ma'am.
Or you can go through
Kind
with the
of.
video once again. Thank you so much, Shubham. Thank you so much for your explanation. Yes, Ishani?
Ma'am, so as far as I have understood, it's basically when we use ga, we talk about things that are familiar to us. So topics that are familiar to us, we use ga. While wa is used for when we don't know someone or the topic is not familiar to us. So in that way.
Yes, ठीक है. ठीक है, so ये चीज क्लियर हो गई है सबको, किसी को कोई डाउट नहीं. थैंक यू सो मच ईशानी फॉर शेयरिंग योर एक्सपीरियंस एंड योर थॉट्स अबाउट इट. एनीवन एल्स? उर्वशी, would you like to add something to it?
No, ma'am.
ठीक है. So thank you so much Shubham and Ishani for their what they have understood. That shows that they are actually watching the video thoroughly. Now I'm going to share another video which is about tari form. ठीक है, so just allow me a moment for that again. Okay, here we have tari.
カホお正月どうやった？
めっちゃ楽しかったで。
何したん？
神社行ったり、友達と遊んだり、家族と旅行したりした。
あ、そうなん？
うん。ニクは？
私？
うん。
私、お餅食べたり、ラーメン食べたり、おせち食べたりした。
食べてばっかやん。
Okay, so did you like the little conversation I had with my friend Kaho-chan? If you noticed, we were speaking in Kansai Ben. Did you understand what we said? She said, 神社に行ったり、友達と遊んだり、家族と旅行したりした。So this grammar construct is たり、たり at the end します。You can use this grammar when you want to mention 2 or 3 examples of your action when there are a few more actions to choose from. So it's like I do things like this and this and this, etc. For example, if you want to say, today I will do things like reading books and watching movies, etc. You can say, 今日本を読んだり映画を見たりする。今日本を読んだり映画を見たりする。And you can change the tense at the end. For example, if you want to say, yesterday I did things like reading books and watching movies, etc. You can say, 昨日本を読んだり映画を見たりした。昨日本を読んだり映画を見たりした。So, する needs to change into した at the end. If you wanna say, on my days off, I do things like reading books and watching movies, etc. You can say, 休みの日、本を読んだり映画を見たりしてる。休みの日、本を読んだり映画を見たりしてる。Remember, when we talk about our habit or our custom, we don't say する at the end. We usually say している but we Japanese people tend to omit this e before る and just say してる or if you want to say I want to do things like reading books and watching movies, etc. You just have to change this I want to, the tense at the end. So how do you think you can say this phrase? 本を読んだり映画を見たりしたい。本を読んだり映画を見たりしたい。So basically you change the tense at the end in order to talk about the future or the past or your desire or your habit and custom. Lots of people confuse this grammar with the other grammar, て、mas grammar. So this て、mas grammar, you are indicating the order of the actions. For example, if you say, I'm gonna go
Guys, this is
to
important.
Shibuya
I'm going to
and
replay it.
do
Please
confuse
follow
this
it
grammar,
carefully.
you change the tense at the end in order to talk about the future or the past or your desire or your habit and custom. Lots of people confuse this grammar with the other grammar, て、mas grammar. So this て、mas grammar, you are indicating the order of the actions. For example, if you say, I'm gonna go to Shibuya and do shoppings, you need to say 渋谷に行って買い物する。So 渋谷に行って is the first action and 買い物する is the second action. This grammar plays importance to the order of your actions. If you don't know that て、mas grammar, I made that video too, so I'm gonna put the link of the video of YouTube in the description box. Anyway, the difference between たりmas and て、mas is that たりdoesn't place importance on the order of actions, and て、it does. Okay? Did you understand? Let's go test it.
Hey, Do you know podcast?
Okay, so it was explained that tari tari, there's no need to follow the sequence. There's no need to follow the sequence, but in te te mass form, we have to follow the sequence. So if you have any doubt, I request you to please raise your hand so that we can discuss the doubts over here. If you have any. Yes, Ishani. How can I help you, bacha?
Actually, I had a doubt with the ending, so I got confused. So she said for hobbies, we use suru, right?
Suru is dictionary form. No, Suru is dictionary form. You can use Suru, you can use Shimas.
Okay. And ma'am, sorry, then shitiru we use for which
Shite
situation?
imas. Shite imas. Shite imas is present continuous tense, no? Watashi wa hon o yonde imas. I'm reading a book right now. So उसको अगर मैं कहना चाहूँ, I can say like watashi wa hon o yonde iru. So yonde imas की जगह we can apply yonde iru, which is a colloquial language, casual language.
Sorry, ma'am, just one more thing.
हाँ, go ahead.
I'm unable to understand. Like,
Shitte imas. Ishani-san wa ima Nihongo no benkyo shitte imas. Ishani is studying Japanese language right now. Okay. So if I want to say the same thing in a casual manner, I'll say Ishani-san wa ima Nihongo o benkyo shitte iru. Shitte imas ko I converted to shitte iru, which is a casual version of dictionary form. If you remember, we use dictionary form either in between the sentence, or if you're using in a sentence or in the ending of the sentence, that means we are using in a casual manner. Shitte imas is shitte iru. Okay, is it clear, or you want me to explain one like once more?
now I got it. Thank you so much.
Sure. Yes. Anyone else? Anyone else?
No, ma'am.
No. 141 students are there, and either the topic is explained, like well explained, the topic is clear to everyone, और या फिर कुछ भी समझ में नहीं आया. किस कैटेगरी में डालूं मैं 141 स्टूडेंट्स को यहाँ पर? कैटेगरी 1 और कैटेगरी 2?
Understood, ma'am. Understood.
Only one student. But still 140 students are there. Those who are not willing to give answer. Shubham. Okay. Chalo, let's go for the PD. Like I'm going to share the PDF now, where I want you people to at least try to attempt the questions. Okay. I'm not going for these Bunke and Rebun part because it's already there in the video. So I'm not going to explain them. There's no need of. Let's go for the questions here. सबसे पहले तो I want you people to go for this Mondai part where we need to change the verbs to their ta form. So let's go for this question. Question number 3 of Mondai. I'm giving you 3 to 4 minutes for this. Once you're done, I request you to please raise your hands. Please go for it. Okay, so I can see 4 students here. 137 में से 4 students are willing to give answer. Abhigyan, Shayan, Hardik, Ishita, Shubham Garg, Priyanka Das, Sameer, Ishani. Wonderful. 8 students finally. And I would like to start off with Hardik. First one, Hardik.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, ikimasu, ikita.
Seriously? तुमको नहीं लगा तुमको एक पिटाई की जरूरत है?
Ma'am.
What's it?
Ma'am,
Same
ita. Sorry, ita. Ma'am, I read that wrong. Sorry. Okay.
Ikimasu is itta. ठीक है?
Sorry.
ठीक है. Thank you, Hardik. Next one is for Abhigyan. Abhigyan, second one, please.
Hataraita.
Hataraita, wonderful. Next is for Shayan.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, oyogimasu. Oyoida.
Uyoida, lovely.
Ida.
Ishita.
Ma'am, nomimasu would be nonda.
क्या बात है, wonderful. Next is for Priyanka Das.
Ma'am, asobimasu would be asobita.
Seriously, Priyanka. This mistake I'm not expecting from you at all. Think about it. Asobimasu.
Sonde.
What would be the te form of asobimasu? Priyanka? Okay, can I skip the... Can I go to someone else then, Priyanka, if you're not comfortable with the answer? Or would you like to try?
Hello, ma'am. Am I audible?
Yes, now you are.
I'm so sorry, ma'am.
Don't be, batao.
Ma'am, I'm confused with this one. I'm sorry, ma'am.
No, don't be. Try करो, कोई problem नहीं है ऐसा. ये बताओ, asobimasu की te form क्या होगी? We are not in hurry at all. Asobimasu की te form क्या होगी? Which group it lies up in? Do you remember the table? I think there's some problem you are having, Priyanka. Again, we are not getting your voice. Okay, Shani, please come to this asobimasu ka te form, ta form.
Ma'am, asonda.
Asonda, wonderful. Sameer, next one is for you. Mochimasu.
Yes, ma'am. It will be motta.
Motta. Okay. Thank you so much, Sameer. Next is from Shubham Garg. Shubham, आपने आंसर कर दिया क्या? नहीं ना?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Go for it.
Kaimasu katta.
Katta. Wonderful. Next is for Khushbu. Norimasu.
Ma'am, norimasu is nota.
Lovely. Urvashi. Kaishimasu.
Keshita.
Sorry, Keshimasu. I'm so sorry. Thank you so much. She's Keshimasu. So the word would be Keshita. Thank you so much, Urvashi. Next is for Hansika. Tabimasu.
Ma'am, tabeta.
Tabeta. Hansika ke baad we are having here, let me check who all are there. Alvin. Yes, Alvin. Next one is for you.
Yes, ma'am. We have Netta.
Neta. Kunal.
Yes, ma'am. Mita.
Nita. Kunal ke baad we have Sam here.
Ma'am, Orita.
Orita. Okay. Aniket Tripathi.
Ma'am, for Orimas.
Oh, no. Sanpo Shimas.
Ma'am, for Sanpo. Ma'am, it will be Sanpo Shita.
Thank you so much. And last one is for Dhruv.
Ma'am, Kito.
Huh?
Ma'am, Kimasu Kito.
Kita. Wonderful. क्या बात है, सबने perfect answer किया है, really wonderful. So here we are done with this Monday का question number 3. Now let me check this one more question. Yes, this question number 5. This question number 5 is again about the experience form koto ga arimasu. ठीक है, and we are having few words given here in the bracket in the box itself. Nihon wa hajimete desu ka? Is it the first? It's first time you are here in Japan. Ie sanen mai ni 3 साल पहले ichido kita koto ga arimasu. I came here once, but 3 years back. So मैं already एक बार आ चुका हूँ. Experience है. So soji shimasu is to sweep, kimasu to come, kikimasu to listen, kaimono ni ikimasu to go for shopping, kakimasu we all know to write, mimasu is to see, to watch, ikimasu is to go. Okay, so these are the words we are having. Now I'm going to scroll it down a little. Okay, so here we are having few verb, few sentences. थोड़ा सा और करती हूँ नीचे. Yeah. आपको इन सारे जो ब्लैंक्स दिए हुए हैं, इनमें आपको गिवन वर्ब्स के ता फॉर्म लगाकर इनको मीनिंगफुल सेंटेंस बनाना है, जिसमें कहीं कहीं पर भी तारी फॉर्म भी यूज हो रही है. ठीक है, सो लेट्स सी हु ऑल कैन ट्राई टू गिव दिस आंसर. सो लेट्स गो फॉर इट. मोंदाई का क्वेश्चन नंबर 5.
Ma'am,
यस बेटा.
can you please repeat the meaning of soji shimasu?
टू स्वीप. स्वीप.
I'm sorry, ma'am, you are not audible like properly.
टू स्वीप, झाड़ू लगाना.
Oh, thank you.
And in meanwhile, I request everyone to please lower down their hands so that I can find out new students, those who are willing to give answer for this question. Thank you. see 4 students again, only 4 students for this question. Same, 4 or 5 students, those who always try to give answer. बाकी क्लास यहाँ से attendance के लिए आती है, I know that. और next time say, trust me, from tomorrow onwards, I'm going to give you attendance according to the performance. If you're not performing in the class, you will not get attendance. And if you get the attendance, you will not get the class performance marks again. ठीक है. Satya Prakash. I'm starting up with Satya Prakash here. First one. Satya Prakash, can we have your answer, please? Okay, Rajnandani, first one, please.
Yes, ma'am. Mira san iki kata ga wakarimasu ka? Ichi do ita koto ga arimasu kara daijoubu desu.
Daijoubu desu. Wonderful. Thank you so much, Rajnandani. Do you really understand the meaning of this sentence, the conversation?
Yes.
Would you like to try?
I can try.
Sure, go for it.
First one, Mr. Miller-san, do you understand how to go?
Perfect, perfect. Wonderful, Rajnandani. Go for it.
And how to go there, and yeah, means yes, I have gone there before.
Yes, I have been there once. That's why it's fine. Daijoubu desu we use for it's fine. ठीक है, मैं जा चुका हूँ. I have experience of visiting that place, so it's completely fine. I know how to go. ठीक है?
Okay.
Wonderful. Please you try. I really appreciate Rajnandani. Thank you so very much. Next one is for Janvi. Janvi, second one. Can we try?
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I'm sorry, I was unable to unmute it.
कोई बात नहीं, सत्यप्रकाश, अभी आगे ऑप्शंस हैं, मैं आपको दोबारा आपको ठीक है बच्चा. Thank you. Yes, yes, Janvi.
Yes, ma'am. Toro konwa uchi no shigoto.
Toro कौन है? तोरो तो कोई भी नहीं है यहाँ पे.
Taro.
हाँ.
Konwa uchi no shigoto o tesu daimasu ka? Ie soji shita ri kaimono ni ikita ri shimasu kyo?
ओके, थोड़ा सा गड़बड़ कर दिया जानवी. पहले तो ये ई नहीं है. दिस इज ए वी यूज फॉर यस. शोची शितारी, परफेक्ट आंसर. काइमोनो नी इकितारी, ये कब पढ़ाया? इकितारी कब पढ़ाया? मैंने तो कभी नहीं पढ़ाया इकितारी. इकिता.
यस मैम.
अभी थोड़ी देर पहले हमने किया था ना, प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन में हमने इकिमास की ता फॉर्म की है ना.
Yes, ma'am.
What was that? इत्ता.
इत्ता, yes ma'am. काइमोनो ni इत्ता.
हाँ, दोबारा ये गलती नहीं होनी चाहिए और आई एम 110% श्योर तुम एग्जाम में गलती करोगी. ये ट्रिकी क्वेश्चंस होते हैं और एग्जाम में जरूर आते हैं. ठीक है? So you have to keep this thing in your mind. Now guys, this is for uchi no shigoto. Uchi no shigoto we use for household work. Household task, घर के काम इसको हम कहते हैं. Tetsudaimasu is the word we use for to help, मदद करना, help करना. तो तारो kunwa uchi no shigoto tetsudaimasu ka? Thus Taro is a boy. We are talking about a boy. Taro helps in your household works. A, yes. Shoji shitari, he sweeps. Kaimono ni ittari shimasyo, he does these things. He sweeps the floor, he sweeps the house, and he goes for the shopping as well. So these are the things Taro does in the household task. Now next one is for Satya Prakash.
Yes, ma'am. Shumi wa nan desu ka? And to answer to that is Ao kakitari on gaku o kikitari shuru koto desu.
Sure. काकीमास की ते फॉर्म क्या होती है?
काकिता.
तुम लोग ना बहुत लकी हो, तुम लोगों की ऑफलाइन क्लासेस मतलब ऑनलाइन क्लासेस चल रही हैं. अभी ऑफलाइन होती ना तो तुम लोग को मैं कान पकड़ के ना क्लास के बाहर खड़ा कर देती मैं. काकीमास की ते फॉर्म क्या होगी? Quickly.
You're asking me.
Yes, of course, I'm talking to you. I'm asking you. You answered this question, na?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
Kakimas ki te form is?
What is?
Ichiritte nibiminde?
What?
What? Okay, wonderful.
Oh, no.
Satyaprakash, could you please tell me the chart of te form? The table of te form?
Okay. Ma'am, the groups that we made.
Yes.
Okay.
Where does this kakimas lies up in?
It's in group 2.
I think you have to follow up the chart once again thoroughly.
Ma'am, okay, I found
So
that.
its kakimas is group 1 verb. Ichi ritte, ni bi minde, ki ite, kaite,
Oh, yes.
kaitari, ongaku o kitari. Okay, the answer would be kaitari, kaitari, and kiitari. ठीक है, यहाँ पे नहीं सत्यप्रकाश, बहुतों ने गलतियां की, ये आंसर को गलत किया होगा. I know, I'm very much confident about here, but you have to follow the chart thoroughly. Okay, it's very important for you. Okay, and the last one is I would like to call Shruti, I guess. Yes, Shruti, can we have your answer? After long, I can see you here.
Yes, ma'am.
Close the question.
歌舞伎は面白いですか？私は歌舞伎を見たことがありませんから。
Mita koto ga arimasen kara. Thank you so much, Shruti. Where were you, bacha? After so long, where were you?
I'm just kind of shy. It takes a while.
Shy. Okay. From next class onwards, I'm going to call your name every now and then. Okay. So guys, tomorrow we are going to complete this chapter. And for that, I request you to please follow the videos so that we can discuss Renshu B questions and rest of the Mondai questions. We have to complete this question number 4. We have to complete question number 7 as well, which is very, very, very important comprehension. This is very important comprehension, which we are going to complete tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm going to finish this chapter. Tomorrow we are going to have 2 hours class और ये chapter complete हो जाएगा. Saturday को I'm going to start up with my last chapter. So see you all tomorrow. Do take care of yourselves. It's time to say sayonara. Bye bye guys.
Ma'am,
Hello, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
One second. Yes, Antara.
Ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I have a class, 2 classes tomorrow, ma'am. It's both of them are clashing with your class, ma'am.
But I have to take extra class, Antara. You have to talk to your PLs regarding or whomsoever the faculty is. अगर नहीं हो पाता है, then you can.
Just a tip. You can attend 2 classes using 2 devices. So if you attend Japanese